soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, O Lord. There will come a poet whose weapon is his word. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, O Lord.
Yeah, in Bali, people say water and rice provide them with all they need for wealth and life. And it is our hope union between Kelly and Xavier will have a union of water and beer lead much satisfaction. You coming to Bali because that you want to say love to each other. That's right. Yeah, and choose this place. That is why I like reading about love. Love is like reservoir. You will never dry this dry, it's but more like natural spring. The longer, further it flows, the stronger, deeper, and clearer it becomes. Love is much more than tender caress, more than bright hours and cheerful happiness. For lasting love, made up of sharing, both hours joys and also despairing. It make up patience and deep understanding, and never selfish, stubborn, demanding. It's made up climbing the step here together, and facing with current life's stormy weather. And nothing on earth ever going to depart. Love that's grown to depart on the heart, just like the sun, the star, and the sea. This love will go on through eternity. Kelly and Xavier, you are two lucky souls enter into life at a point when one life not be whole without the other. You have deep love and devotion each other and have chosen to forsake all others. Enter into life together filled with love, happiness, and respect. Your commitment today to each other is eternal. Eternal, that's right? Eternal.
All lives.
Always. And you have chosen to companion for the rest of your life. Okay? Will you?
I do.
Okay. Do you promise to love, respect, cherish, stand by each other for the days of your life?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Yes? No. Okay, good.
I do.
Yeah, today you will say your vows to each other. Please place each other, join your hand. I, Xavier Sawyer,
I, Xavier Sawyer,
in the presence of God,
in the presence of God,
take you, Kelly Keiko Hota,
take you, Kelly Keiko Hota,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold.
from this day forward,
What?
from this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
This is my solemn vow and promise.
This is my solemn vow and promise.
And promise.
And promise.
Oh.
Where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time.
I, Kelly Keiko Hora,
In the presence of God,
in the presence of God,
take you, Xavier Sawyer,
take you, Xavier Wolf Sawyer,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for
for
poorer,
richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish.
to love and to cherish.
This is my solemn vow and promise.
This is my solemn vow and promise.
Okay.
The way it feels our lungs. The fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young.
Kelly, I give you this ring
As a symbol of our marriage,
as a symbol of our marriage
and of the vows
and of the vows
which we have made today.
which we have made today.
Okay, please put the ring.
with time. And we will wake it.
Xavier, I give you this ring
It's a symbol of our marriage
as a symbol of our marriage
and of the vows
and of the vows
which we have made today.
we have made today.
Okay, please put the ring.
Moving far away.
Therefore today, I proclaim Xavier and Kelly. Today, you are husband and wife. Okay, no kiss ya. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, today I present you Mr. and Mrs. Flower.